heavy.
Hi guys, today we're gonna do a little unboxing on this.
He's a heavy duty box. But that's good though. That means it's well packaged.
So this is a truck mounted crane, a hoist crane, and it's not hydraulic. It's adjustable with 360-degree swivel and 2 different hoist options, and they're both electric winches. And they're on sale right now, so I'll drop links where you can get this. So it looks good already. I had an idea to mount it on a trailer hitch, like a 2-inch receiver hitch. So we'll see. But right now we're just gonna unbox it. It's an electric winch option, and I think that this might be superior because hydraulic has its limits. It can only go so far down and so far up your hydraulic ramp, but this is electric. This might be better. Plenty strong enough, I'm sure. But there is a 3,500 pound option. They have a sale on their website there as well. And this is rugcel.com. Here's the winch controller. This is a really good idea because having a snatch block, you can actually get some mechanical advantage with that. Double up your line, and I've done that before, so that's really good. Simple winch controller, in and out. It works. Some hardware, some paperwork, a lever probably for the crane, and another 70 grade hook. So that's good. And everything looks good. And this is nice too, because typically I buy these separate and this came with it, so that's a bonus. It's definitely sturdy, definitely made of some thick quality material.
Paperwork, owner's manual, we got a winch controller, hardware, and a snatch block which came with it, which is cool. This is well built, sturdy stuff. Yeah, I got this much out of the box here. It has a winch mounting plate on it right here, so the winch is gonna go on here, and it has adjustable pins here. So it's rated for 1,100 pounds on pin 3. That's more than half a ton. So that's pretty good, pretty amazing. And now we can have a little bit better look at it. So it seems to be well built. If you need a winch for your ATV or trailer or side-by-side or whatever, I'd highly recommend checking out their website. Good prices, good deals. There's the winch mounting plate, good thick plate there, and it looks pretty simple to mount the winch. So there's going to be 2 bolts for this one, and the bigger winches have 4 bolts. So this actually came from Amazon, and I really like Amazon shipping and everything, so This is fulfilled by Amazon, and they have deals on both. They have deals on their website and they have deals on Amazon, so I'll probably drop links for both. So I'm getting a better look at the base plate here, and it measures maybe a little bit better than 3/8, so that would be, if it's metric, it'd be 10 mil thick. So that's a good sturdy base for sure. The mounting plate is 9 inches both ways. 9 inches that way and 9 inches this way. So in metric, I'll put that down at the bottom. I'm pretty sure there's a roller bearing in here, so that's awesome. That means it's gonna rotate really smooth. So it's well packaged in this wooden crate. This one is the 2,000-pound winch, but there is another option for a bigger winch as well. Comes with all these goodies. I find that useful. Rugcel.com. Half ton, 1,100 pounds, adjustable, so it has different weight ratings depending on the boom. Right here, the red is kind of cool. Everything looks good. Heavy duty mounting plates for the winch and for the base as well. Came with two smaller boxes inside the big box, and one contains the winch motor or the winch itself, and the other one contained some hardware. So there's a winch controller, and I believe this goes in here, I think. And there's some more hardware. And there's some more hardware. Instead of drilling holes in the vehicle, I have this idea to build a mounting plate, a heavy duty mount that slides into the trailer hitch. So I think that might be a good idea, and it'll be heavy duty right into the frame. This is rated for half a ton, 1,100 pounds. So maybe we'll put it on a heavy duty class 3, 4, 5 hitch, like a 2-inch receiver hitch or something. And wouldn't that be cool? Instead of drilling holes into the vehicle or the body, you could make it like a universal fit on like any trailer hitch, any 2-inch trailer hitch. So that's my idea, to build a mount that fits a trailer hitch, and then it'll fit like several vehicles, and I think that would be really cool. So I've seen these before, but I don't think I've seen an electric one. I've seen hydraulic ones, and hydraulics have their limits, like they can only go down so far and up so far. But with an electric winch, you could go out for, if the line is a 100-foot line or 80-foot line, whatever, you can go out 80 feet if you wanted to and reel something in, which is really good. So I think this has advantages over hydraulic. Might be better than hydraulic in that aspect. so it has more like capacity, more travel. But I think it could be the best of both worlds because it's adjustable here, like, so it does go up and down as well. So it can go up and down plus have all of the travel of the winch. This has a very robust, heavy duty, I think it's 10 mil thick plate right there. So that's good. It's a heavy duty mounting plate. And it sort of looks like a rocket here. So that's cool. So if we build a mount, we're gonna want it to be just as strong as that, or better. But that looks really good. It looks strong, heavy duty stuff. It's got a heavy duty, seems to have a heavy duty bearing in here, so it's gonna rotate easy, even if it has weight on it. So they got deals on these right now, and I'm gonna put the link in my link tree, link in the description, and link in the comments to find this on Amazon and the Rugcel website as well. So if you want, you can go check that out. Machine lift. Well, it's a good thing I'm a machine, boys.